This morning, thunder in my head. I haven't felt this bad since I don't know when. The mirror is telling me to go on back to bed. I guess I might just blame it on the weather and the wine. I stayed up late drinking, thinking about that night. We started out with romance, but ended in a fight. She drove away in the rain, saying no one was to blame, but that can't be right. It must have been the weather and the wine. Our first date in the park, summer sun was shining bright. A picnic in the grass, she brought wine coolers on ice. We were blind enough to trust in love at first sight. Or was it just the weather and the wine? Now the clouds are gray and heavy, and the cold has come to stay. My friends have been saying I don't look so good these days. I can't bring myself to tell them it's the tears I've been crying, so I blame it on